Welcome everyone to Camaraderie Health Agency webinar entitled, Newly Retiring? Mastering Medicare Made Easy. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Medicare and make it super easy for all of us who are newly retiring. If you have any questions, just type them in the chat or comments below. In this webinar, you'll learn how to navigate Medicare as you enter retirement, making the process easy and stress-free. Many newly retiring individuals struggle with understanding the various parts of Medicare, leading to confusion and missed benefits. Medicare can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to figure it out for the first time. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose, and it's easy to get frustrated. But don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to help. The good news is that once you understand the basics, it's really not that complicated. With a little guidance, you'll be navigating Medicare like a pro in no time. Unfortunately, many retirees don't take the time to learn about Medicare, and that's when the problems start. We'll break down the key components of Medicare: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D, and explain how to choose the right plan for your needs. Let's start with the basics. Medicare Part A is hospital insurance, which covers inpatient care in hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, and hospice care. Medicare Part B is medical insurance, which covers doctor visits, outpatient care, and medical equipment. Together, Parts A and B are often referred to as Original Medicare. Medicare Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage, is an alternative to Original Medicare that's offered by private insurance companies. And finally, Medicare Part D is prescription drug coverage. Each part serves a specific purpose, and understanding how they work together is crucial to getting the most out of your Medicare benefits. Choosing the right plan can be a challenge, but with a little knowledge, you'll be able to make an informed decision. Let me answer a question from the chat. Will I get Part A and Part B automatically? If you are receiving benefits from Social Security or the Railroad Retirement Board at least 4 months before turning 65. However, there are other factors involved in determining if you qualify for automatic enrollment. Like if you are under 65 and have a disability, you'll automatically get Part A and Part B starting the first day of the month you turn 65. If your birthday is on the first day of the month, Part A and Part B starts the first day of the prior month. If you're under 65 and have a disability, you'll get Part A and Part B automatically after getting 24 months of disability benefits, either from Social Security or certain disability benefits from the RRB. Now, when considering a plan, one of the most important things to consider when choosing a plan is your current health situation. If you have ongoing medical conditions, you'll want to make sure you have a plan that covers your medications and provides access to specialists. On the other hand, if you're relatively healthy, you might be able to get by with a more basic plan. Either way, it's essential to do your research and compare plans before making a decision. Another thing to consider is your budget. Medicare premiums can add up quickly, so you'll want to make sure you're not overspending. By taking the time to review your options, you'll be able to find a plan that fits your needs and your budget. Let me answer another question from the chat. If I didn't get Part A and Part B automatically, when can I sign up? You'll sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B through Social Security www.ssa.gov/Medicare. Initial Enrollment Period, IEP. Your first chance to sign up for Medicare is during your Initial Enrollment Period, IEP, which lasts for 7 months and begins 3 months before you turn 65, includes the month you turn 65, and ends 3 months after your birth month. If you didn't get Part A and or Part B automatically, you can sign up during the General Enrollment Period, GEP, which runs from January 1st to March 31st each year, with coverage starting the following month, or with a Special Enrollment Period, SEP. What you need to know. The most important insight is understanding how to maximize your Medicare benefits while avoiding common pitfalls that many retirees face. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not signing up for Medicare on time. If you miss the initial enrollment period, you could be facing penalties and delayed coverage. Another mistake is not reviewing your plan regularly. Medicare plans change every year, and if you're not paying attention, you could end up with a plan that no longer meets your needs. By staying informed and making adjustments as needed, you'll be able to get the most out of your Medicare benefits. Finally, it's essential to understand how Medicare works with other forms of insurance, such as employer-sponsored plans or Veterans Administration benefits. By understanding how these plans interact, you'll be able to make the most of your benefits and avoid costly mistakes. If you found this information helpful, please check out my other videos on retirement planning and share your thoughts in the comments below. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency.